Good morning and welcome to the Team Idris channel. Let's just set the alarm. Beep, 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 beep. Yeah, that's either the alarm code or I rang Australia. So, it's got a battery in it, but it hasn't got any screws. So, I imagine it comes apart with some sort of spludger or something. You lever it open in some clever place. I can't see where it is, so let's hit it with a hammer. Oh, yeah, there it is. Whoa. What do we got? Yep, that is one of those handy little 12-volt batteries. Never heard of those. 2 amp hours, a little fella, 12 volt. Cool, that's pretty handy. Unless that's the date it was made, because that's April 2016. Yeah, that's not going to be very good, is it? What else have we got? Lots and lots of wires. Oh, speaker. Right, tiny speakers. So, tiny little 50mm 2-inch speaker. Lots and lots of wires. Where are me precision wire cutters? All those look like ones I don't want. What's that do? So there's the speaker on the end. Ah, okay, so those two are the transformer, that's the input. So those must be ins and outs. Oh, cool. Right. Into the scrap bucket. So we've got transformer. 240 volts to... doesn't say. That would be quite handy, wouldn't it, if it actually said what it was. There's 240 incoming anyway. This is a nice part, a slip fuse. I tried to get some of those free ones, and they sent me this bit that they knew what I was up to. They wouldn't send me the fusey bit. I don't know what that is. Okay, let's say it's 12 volts above, because otherwise it couldn't charge the battery. So, yeah, that's the back plate, complete with old roll plug. What do we got? Nice keypad. That might actually be some use for robotics. What we got there? Yeah, that's eight lines, so that's an 8-bit output. I don't think there's going to be anything fancy going on there. That should easily connect to a Raspberry Pi or something. Screwed in, soldered in. Difficult to tell. Right, so along here we've got all the connections, which is what an alarm system's all about. There's lots and lots of connections. Some sort of smoothing capacitor, 35 volts, 220 microfarad, decent size. There's a small one. That could be driving the speaker. Seems a bit big for that though. Perhaps it's the charge controller. I got clips on the back for the keyboard. Nice. I like stuff that's easy to take apart. Oh, there we straight off then. Yep. Lovely little keyboard, easily made waterproof. Yeah, keep that. What we got here then? Oh yeah. That's one of those really, really complicated chips that does everything. I mean, that would probably take you to the moon. An 8 thingy, an adjustable thingy, diodes and diodes and resistors. What we got there? Some output majiggeries over there. Little tin can transistors. Lots and lots of output. Diodes, transistors? No idea. Oh, what a lovely little board. Yeah. Oh, some sort of reset button. Nothing on the back. Nice modern board. Yeah. What's inside an alarm? A small computer. Small computer is what is inside an alarm. Yeah, cool. Oh, free stuff. Thanks for watching.